No, stop, Dave.
Just do it.
I'm not gonna do it. Don't move, because it, like, drops. And I don't know how you feel about the shit being on your back.
In her skin, what do you think? Think it really matters?
It's not hurting you.
Hmm?
It's not hurting you.
Mm-mm.
Oh. It's gonna start squirting everywhere now. Starting to get more. He's recording.
I know.
See, I don't know what's smoking now. I can't smell.
No, it don't smell yet.
So I will have handprint bruises around my neck, and someone's going to think I had a good weekend.
I'm not trying to be sorry. Stop. It's gonna start squirting gross now, so now I'm like trying not to do it.
Get it and get your face out the way when you squeeze it.
Oh, I can smell it.
Squeeze. Did it get you?
Yeah. Phew!
Yeah.